can't really seem to find the floor joist. Everything that I marked, nothing is the same distance apart. And I can't find any holes or anything under here to find them. I know the studs for the wall, that's all 16 on center. I don't have any gaps in here to find. I guess I could nail a bunch of stuff in here, but I don't want to put like 30,000 nails in this. And then this hole over here, this here to here wasn't even 16 on center, but then there used to be a wall there. So I don't know how this house used to be configured enough to make an estimated guess. So I'm going to try to just space them out evenly and then go from there. I don't think it's much going to matter. So I was trying to hit a stud, but I think it'll be okay. I did a pretty bad job of explaining in the video what exactly I was doing. Here what I'm doing is I'm laying down 4x8 sheets of underlayment plywood. It's made by SurePly. I got it at the same place that I picked up my lumber from. It's 0.205 inches thick, so just under a 1/4 inch thick there. I'm laying this down beforehand because originally I thought about gluing the boards down, and I wanted this to be a place where I could glue the boards down. Also, some of the original floors, they're not even, so I figured this would be a way to make everything kind of flow a little better and not have sudden jolts up and down. So I go ahead and just lay this down, cut it out, fit around everything, and that's that. And I'm using staples to staple it down using the air gun there, the air staple gun. I've got to do a little bit more of destruction here. Gotta get rid of this door and that door frame. So what I decided to do, instead of, I want to replace these doors anyway, I figured it's easier to, instead of trying to cut these and trim these to get the floor to look all neat, let me get a new door, pre-hung door. It'll sit right on top of the new floor and look all nice, a lot better I think. Instead of trying to trim around this, you know. It'll sit right on top. I think that'll look a lot better.